WhatsApp notifications are not showing on iPhone. If WhatsApp notifications are not showing on your iPhone, it is likely due to push notifications being disabled. So here is a quick and complete fix guide. First of all you have to do is open the Settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Inside Settings app, scroll down and look for the notification option available there, and all you have to do is tap on it. Inside Notifications, again scroll down and look for the WhatsApp app available there. And once you find the WhatsApp app, simply tap on it. Now, once you tap on the WhatsApp app, make sure the allow notification is turned on. Once you turn on the allow notifications, all your notifications will be allowed to your iPhone's home screen. Now, once you do so, go back to the iPhone's home screen and look for the WhatsApp app available there and simply tap on it. Once inside the WhatsApp app, make sure that you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Then tap on the settings option available at the bottom right corner of your screen. But if you are using the Android, then you'll get to see 3-dot option available at the top right, then tap on these settings. Now, once you are navigated to the settings, all you have to do is scroll down and there you'll get to see notification option available. Simply tap on it. Now what you have to do is make sure that the show notification option available is toggled on at the top. Once done so, simply go back to the iPhone's home screen again. Now once you are back to the home screen, all you have to do is swipe and look for the App Store app available there. Tap on the App Store, and once inside the App Store, search for the WhatsApp app. Now, once you search for the WhatsApp app from the list of the app, tap on the WhatsApp, and there you will get to see update icon available. Update it to the latest version. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.